Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create business slide background using render clouds in Photoshop. I open Photoshop with slide dimensions. I pause because slides must be readable. I create a new layer and apply render clouds. I immediately lower opacity. I soften edges using Gaussian blur. I adjust brightness slightly. The background now supports content quietly. I imagine this slide in a business meeting. The clouds add professionalism without distraction. Render clouds turns plain slides into premium visuals. I stop when